Hi, I wrote a song, but I don't play guitar, so I apologise for that. I tried to put something with it that sounded decent, so that was hard. Yeah, at the